So here are 5 things I've learned in my journey of being a creator for the past 2.5 years. Number one, don't think of the outcome, just start. And I know that you all have a lot of fears, thinking, यार कहाँ तक पहुँच पाएंगे? Will my content be liked by people? What will happen? See my first video. This is my first video that I ever recorded in front of the camera. See this. Hi guys, what's up? How you guys doing? In today's Mythbuster video, we will discuss about one very important topic, and that is first impression is significant, but it's definitely not the last one. Impression is a funny thing you see. देख लिया? Do you see how underconfident I am? Do you see how camera conscious I am? I'm not focusing on the script. I'm forgetting the script. I am nervous. I don't know how to speak in front of the camera, and all sorts of fears. The point is, you have to come out of your comfort zone and start recording that piece of content. So just do not focus on the outcome, start. Number two, what if my content fails? This is one of the biggest fears as to why content creators aren't able to create more and more content daily. And I made this video in one of my reels as well, where I said that if today you fail in a particular subject, do you stop studying further? No, right? It's absolutely okay to fail. You will fail. Rather, if you don't fail, you don't learn the kind of mistakes you are making, and how will you improve on them? So if you are failing, it's a good sign. If you are failing, it's a good sign. Take it in a positive way and keep on creating the content that you wish to create. Number three, don't think of the numbers in the beginning. And I know this has been said a lot of times. I have said it a lot of times in my videos where do not focus on the likes, the views, the shares, the story views. Do not focus on the numbers at first. Focus on creating the best piece of content that you can create out there. Eventually the numbers will come. If you create the best piece of content out there, if you create the kind of content that you are passionate about, and you create the best quality content out there, people will like you for who you are, and people will like you for the kind of content you create. So do not focus on the numbers at first, because आज numbers है, कल numbers नहीं होंगे. People might unfollow you. People unfollow you. I mean, people will unfollow you rather. So don't think of the numbers. Don't get bogged down by the metrics of social media algorithms. Do not focus on that. Keep on creating that content. You will get there. Number four, consistency. And this goes without saying. This is a no-brainer. Be it Instagram, be it YouTube, be it LinkedIn, be it Twitter, you have to be consistent wherever you are creating content. Because this is one of the ways you can beat the algorithm. Because if the platform knows that you are consistent enough with your content, and one or the other content will get picked up by the platform, and it will give you an exponential reach. So be very consistent with your content and keep on creating content, because that's the only hack to success. Trust me, that's the only hack. Number five, creative blocks. And I know that as a creator, I feel those creative blocks, and I get those creative blocks. Sometimes you feel like, I don't have any idea. What should I do? Should I just create content for the sake of it? No. Please do not create content just for the sake of creating content. There has to be a bigger vision to why you are creating content. Of course, you like creating content, you like speaking to the camera, you like exposing your creative self. But it's absolutely okay. At the same time, it's absolutely okay to take a break if you're not feeling it. Take a break. Let the audience know that I am not feeling it. I don't feel like creating content today. I'm just not getting ideas. Be extremely honest with your audience, and that is the only reason why people will like you.